Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. My dear student, in the last lecture we studied about electrolytic cell, where we used electricity to force a reaction. But today we will move one step further and learn about galvanic cell, also called is Voltaic cells. So let's understand it step by step. Introduction. My dear student, a galvanic cell is the opposite of an electrolytic cell. Here, a spontaneous redox reaction takes place and as a result, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. My dear student, this cell was first described by Luigi Galvani and later improved by Alessandro Volta. That is why they are called galvanic or Voltaic cells. Now, definitions of galvanic cell. By dear student, definition: a galvanic cell is an electrochemical cell that generates electrical energy from a spontaneous redox reactions. Now, essential components of a galvanic cell. By dear student, the first one is two half cell. Each contains an electrode dipped in electrolyte. One is the anode, where oxidation occur here, and the second one, the other is the cathode, reaction occur here. So, and the second one is external circuit, wires connecting electrodes, allowing electron to flow. And the third one is salt bridge, a U-shaped tube containing an anode electrolyte like KCl or KNO3. It completes the circuit, maintains electrical neutrality by allowing ions to flow. Now, working of galvanic cell. My dear student, an a galvanic cell, oxidation occurs at the anode, reduction occurs at the cathode. Electrons always flow from anode, mean cathode, through the external circuit. Current flows in opposite direction, mean cathode to anode. Now, examples of galvanic cell. Dinyl cell or zinc copper cell. But dear student, this is the most common example of a galvanic cell. Construction: a zinc electrode is dipped in zinc sulfate solution. This is the anode half cell. A copper electrode is dipped in copper sulfate solution. This is the cathode half cell. Both solutions are connected with a salt bridge and electrodes are connected by a wire. Now, reaction and Dinyl cell. At anode, oxidation takes place. Zinc gives zinc ion plus 2 electrons. At cathode, reaction takes place. Copper ion accept 2 electrons, give copper. Overall reaction is zinc plus copper ion gives zinc ion plus copper. Now, flow of electrons and ions. But dear student, electrons move from zinc electrode, mean anode, to copper electrode, mean cathode. And salt bridge, mean ions, right ions, and right ion, receive migrate toward the anode compartment. Cation mean potassium ion and sodium ion receive migrate toward the cathode compartment. Registering this balances the charges and keeps the reaction going. Now, characteristics of galvanic cell. The first one is converts chemical energy into electrical energy, and the second one is reaction as spontaneous, and the third one is anode as negative electrode, and fourth one is cathode as positive electrode. And fifth one is a salt bridge is necessary for continuous working. Now, applications of galvanic cell. The first one is used in batteries like dry cell, lead storage battery. And the second one is used on fuel cells. And the third one is provide electricity for portable devices. And the fourth one is basis for electrochemical series and electrode potential. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on galvanic cell, also called as Voltaic cell. So, I hope you understand of this lecture help you. Then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.